Hey y'all, today I'm showing part of my lock maintenance routine using the 4-point interlocking method. Let's get started. Hook, grab it. Position number 2, hook, pull through. Position number 3, down, pull up. Position number 4, pull through. Back to position number 1, pull through. Position number 2, pull through. Position number 3, pull through. Number 4, pull through. From the bottom, starting over again. 1, okay. I'm going to stop towards the back because that's where I want my lock to flow backwards. I pull my hair back all the time. Then I'll take my butter, roll it all the way down, and that's how you interlock. That's it.